Scary motherfucker. Alright, taking a little video here. This is my 79 Ford F-150 Custom. And I got a pull my carburetor off because these two little bolts fell. There's actually 4 little screws here. They look like, where they at? No, they're gone. They look like this. Well, I noticed one was just sitting right there. And I looked up underneath, and it's stupid how they do it. There's 4 screws that bolt your carburetor to this bracket that it's sitting on. And well, there's the one on the back side here in the corner I couldn't really get to. That one wasn't in. This one fell right out, and I could only tighten those 2, so I had no other alternative but to rip it all out here. And so I pulled this doohickey off. This fucking cord here comes off. It goes in the back side right there. This other tube here, that is what your oil hooks to. That goes bloop. This one here, that goes to whatever the fuck that box is. I'm not sure, but that goes bloop. This is your gas, right? That's your gas line, and that goes bloop. I'm only making this video because I couldn't find one on it, and I'm just kind of doing this as I go. This little line here, that goes to whatever that is. And it splits off 4 ways, goes whoop, whoop, and then down to this doohickey, which plugs into there. Gotta take a video so I remember how it all goes back together here. Oh, yeah.
That's a good idea.
And that's pretty much it. And I go bloop, that plugs into that, and then this goes bloop and plugs into this. Okay. Bam. That's how it's done. Gotta take this fucking, I had to take the whole thing off, and then I put the new gasket on this part. Now I gotta pull the whole thing off, and then put these, secure these to the bracket. I couldn't put these in without taking the whole thing out. Now if they made these bolts, I would have been able to get to them, but no, they're flatheads. Stupid shit. And that's about it. And then you throw it all together, you just go bloop, 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 and then start her up.